Cause pepper sauce. Look. DW pepper sauce as usual. Can't soup have pepper man. A flu, you're supposed to say a drinking and a sweat at the same time, you know what I mean? And as I said, little cayenne pepper. It's gonna be spicy, I don't care. And I have some of my uncle Scotch bonnet ground. Hello. Anytime I go to Jamaica, me carry some of him do him own Scotch bonnet something. This year that me go do this one smell good, you see what's there? These are the real scotch you see me I put in there. That could be spicy. Spicy. So this is from Connecticut. What my uncle do, him grow him own Scotch bonnet. Let me wipe off so you can see. Him grow him own Scotch bonnet pepper. And when he go to Jamaica, he carry them for me, so I always get some. See? Smells. When you open this and smell it. This year, if I get a lot of pepper, I'm gonna be making loads of them. I'm gonna be doing. So soup, oh look, the time's still there. Me say enough, you see. I hate, like the time in a pot, it wind me up. Cause it's a woody business me not like. So this is supposed to be really hold on. Right, so this now supposed to just ooh. So that's what we want. The soup, we don't want if you're eating nothing, we want to be drinking. So it just simmering down now. Let me taste it and tell you now. Yeah man. Simmer down, don't you hear what I say now, boy? You can't wait for this. It's the right amount of flavor in it, the right amount of everything in it. What? You're hearing about what I don't play. Yeah, if I were you, and I'll bother with you and tell you about what I don't. This is when you drink this, I'm supposed to just sweat out. You're supposed to just sweat this one out, man. Sweat right out, honestly. Cayenne pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, pepper sauce, everything, every pepper you can think of in that soup, yeah. Every pepper you can think of in this soup. Simmer down. Don't you hear what I say now? Simmer down. Don't you hear what I say now? Simmer down. One sweet nanny goat, I go run him belly. When you have flu, you just have to go for the soup. You go for the soup, man. And if I want, Tia, you want soup? You must have some soup. Soup is good for you. She wanna soup me there. She said, no thank you. No thank you. You see the hot pepper buns, the amount of hello.